Hi, I'm Michael Wiesner. I'm an animator, 2D illustrator, and graphic designer. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a pet bird. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to get paper and a writing utensil. Now I've already roughed out today's image with a light graded pencil just to save time. To begin by drawing our first pet bird, we're going to start by drawing a tiny little beak on it. Then next we're going to draw an oval circle, some lines, and next we're going to draw its body, its feet, and its thigh. Draw the very wing of it. And then next, we draw the tail feather. And then finally, we just add some detail, give them a little breast feathers, add some feather detail here, a little right here, then finally, we add an eye. There you have it. And that is how you draw a pet bird. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.